and sticks.
Hi, Dortha. That's probably the juvenile logging in, wouldn't you think?
That's who I think it is too.
Yeah, I agree. So if you guys want to go for that first, I would presume.
I'm guessing I haven't talked to the
Okay.
judge, but I would
Sure,
think that
sure.
she would want to go with him first.
I agree. I understand. We'll just assume that, and but otherwise, my guy is sitting here and we're ready to go. So we'll just play it as it comes along.
Okay.
All right. Back
All right.
soon.
All right.
Mhm.
Bye.
Bye.
Afternoon.
Yes. Hi, Judge. I guess I'll speak up. I believe that may be your juvenile there, and I am would you like to take care of him first?
Yeah, I can do that. I can't remember his name though.
I'm sorry, I don't have it either.
Yeah, hang on. Let me see.
His
wait a
last
minute.
name is Perez.
Yeah, I got the
First-
Perez right here. Yeah.
Ulysses.
All right.
Yes.
So I'll just be silent listening in until you're done.
Yeah, that's fine. Let me get. All right, Mr. Perez, can you hear me?
Yes.
All right. I'm Judge Whitman with the Kansas City, Kansas Municipal Court. You have some matters here that have not been taken care of. I have the prosecutor is here also, and I was hoping that we could at least keep the case moving. I want to make sure you understand they have an absolute right to a trial on these matters. These are all traffic matters. But I'm going to let you talk to the prosecutor to see if there is any way we can resolve these today. If not, we can get it set for trial, all right?
Okay.
You've been charged, it looks like a speeding ticket, 74 and a 55, 2 counts of no insurance, no driver's license, no registration, and a child passenger safety. It looks like most of the charges come from a March 23rd of 2023 case, happened on 18th Street in Kansas. But there is that no insurance that was from February 1st of 2023. All right. I'm going to let you talk to the prosecutor. If if he is giving you an offer that you want, great, we can do that. If not, we can set these things for trial. All right. Okay.
Okay.
Mr. Weaver, you want to go ahead and talk to him about the plea?
I can. Are we gonna go to a breakout room or just do it here?
No, you're just going to do it because I don't think they do, not over in juvenile. So.
All right, all right. All right, then, Mr. Perez, I have looked over your charges and the plea offer I prepared for you was I would be dropping the speeding ticket. I would be dropping the requirement of a driver's license. I'd be dropping the vehicle registration. I'd be dropping the child passenger safety, and I'd be charging you on no insurance. This would be your second no insurance charge, and it would be $800 along with the court cost of $2,350. So in exchange for dropping the 4 other charges, you'd be pleading guilty to no insurance. And that is my current offer for you. How would you like to proceed on that?
So you'd be dropping the speeding tickets and what else?
I would be dropping the speeding ticket, the lack of a driver's license, the requirement to have your vehicle registered, and the child passenger safety. In exchange, you'd be pleading guilty to just the no insurance for $800. And then there'd be the $2,350 of court costs to go with it. So it would be, well, it's actually a state fee. It would be a total of $823.50. So I must warn you, a third no insurance violation would really ding you. So
Yeah.
if that's amenable, then we can go forward with that. Otherwise, it'd be setting it for trial.
Yeah.
All right, Mr. Perez, it's my understanding that you want to plead to that no insurance, which is a second time offense. And it sounds like all the other charges be dismissed, Mr. Weaver?
Yes, that is correct.
Okay. Now, Mr. Perez, as Mr. Weaver stated, that no insurance is really going to mess up any opportunity you would get to get a driver's license. Do you understand that? You're going to have to prove to them you have what's called an SR-22, which means proof of insurance, and it's going to cost a lot more money than just the $800 fine. Do you understand that?
Yes.
All right, but you still wish to go ahead with that plea and the other charges be dismissed.
Yes.
All right. All right. I don't know how long you're going to be in custody. About how long do you think it'll take you to pay that $823.50?
I mean, I can pay. I mean, I just have to find a way because I'm in here.
Correct. I understand. Do you have any idea when you're going to be getting out?
I have no idea.
Okay, well, what I'll do is I'll continue this to, I'm gonna go to, end of January, January 24th.
I did come to Wyandotte to pay, I think it was like the $100 for the warrant to
Mhm.
reschedule a new court date.
Okay,
And I guess they didn't accept debit cards and it was only cash.
right, correct, yes. Well, there's no warrants now, for you, it's just that payment.
Yeah, well, I mean, as soon as I get out, I can start paying it.
Yeah, no, and that's great. I'll give you that January 24th date at 1 o'clock. If it's not all paid by then, you have to appear. All right.
So it has to be before January 24th.
It has to be all paid on or before January 24 at 1.
How much was it? 850?
$823.50.
Oh, okay.
I must
Okay.
add, the previous guilty charge on his no insurance still has pending amounts not paid on
All
it.
right. I'll let him figure that out. I'm just looking at this. That one's just sitting there. So, all right. If you don't have it all paid, you need to be in court.
Okay. So if I have it all paid off before then, I don't gotta show the
You
court?
should be all right. Just,
Okay.
you can pay online. Okay, and just check and see what's owed there. All right.
I can pay online or can I come up here to pay as
You
well?
can do either one. Correct. Either way. Yes. Okay.
Yes.
You good to go?
Yeah,
You have any questions?
I do not.
Okay. All right. Well, that will conclude the hearing. You can tell the officer we're done.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. You have a good day.
And over to me now, Judge.
Yes.
Okay, Mr. Rosenberger is here.
Hello.
Ms. Rosenberger, what's your first name? I'm sorry.
Forrest.
Forrest.
Yes.
Mr. Rosenberger, I'm Judge Whitman with the Kansas City, Kansas Municipal Court. You have some traffic matters that have been unresolved here. They happened October 11th of 2022. The charges are no insurance, a driver's license required, and a seat belt. These all happened on 16th and Central eastbound. What I have done is I've got a prosecutor here that can give you a plea offer. If you're not interested in the plea offer, we can set these for trial because you have an absolute right to have a trial. But I was hoping that in some way this can be resolved either by setting it for trial or a plea. Do you understand?
Yeah.
All right, so I'm going to let you talk to the prosecutor in private so that you can discuss these matters. The gentleman that gave you the headphones, if you could ask him to put you in a breakout room, you'll be able to talk to the prosecutor in private.
Mhm.
Yeah. Say, send us an invitation, please. There
Yeah.
it is. Got it, got it.
Yeah.
So Judge, when I send over that, do I send over a commitment order for that juvenile?
You're just going to tell him he's got a pay date.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
I didn't know if I had to send over a commitment order with the that we usually send over, you know?
No, I don't think so, no.
Okay. After this one, he said that
Yeah,
Lakeitra William,
so
okay,
Williamson.
that's
yeah,
next, and then that other, the Harasco's last.
Gotcha.
Hello.
Yes, Mr. Weaver?
So I offered the defendant, Mr. Forrest, that I would drop the driver's license and 18-year seatbelt charges. In exchange, he would just plead guilty to no insurance, $300 plus court costs. And that'd be it.
All right, and Mr. Rosenberger, are you interested in that offer? Or do you want it set for trial?
No, I agree with the offer.
Okay. You understand that that will affect your driver's license or your ability to get a driver's license in any near future, all right?
Uh-huh.
Now, that's a $300 fine with $23.50 in state fee. Can you, I don't know how long you're going to be in custody. If I give you that January 24th date, do you think you could have it paid by then?
Hopefully, I would like to work a payment plan with you guys. I could definitely pay some of it by then.
Okay, well, what I normally do is you can pay any way you want to. You can pay all of it tomorrow, or you can pay it $10, every week until it's all paid off, as long as it's paid off by January 24th. If it is not, you can come in, you have to come to court and ask for more time. But we'll
Okay.
also know if you're in custody too.
Okay.
All right. So I'll go to that January 24th date at 1. Do your best to try to get it paid off, and then you don't have to worry about this anymore.
Okay. Thank you.
All right. Any questions at all?
Mm-mm.
All right. Well, you have a great day.
Thank you.
Judge, moving to the female pod, Williamson, and I'm aware you want to do Donald Harasco. For
Yeah,
all those reasons, we're just doing last after Ms. Williamson.
sure.
Okay, back soon.
And Mr. Weaver, on that, you know about Harasco.
I was unaware of Harasco. I can
Okay,
make
Donald Harasco. He's only got one charge of possession of drug paraphernalia. He's done 30 days in jail, but then they're going to come snatch him at some point. I think it's either KDOC or somebody in Missouri is coming to get him.
Okay.
So he's already done 30 days on his probation violation. So I didn't know if he wants a trial, we'll work with that. But I'm assuming that you'd probably give him time served and be done on his way.
How do we spell his last name real fast?
Horosko.
I've got
First
him.
name is Donald, and his date of birth is 1/7/81. They were wanting to do something because they know they're coming to get him.
Yeah. Well, he'll be after the next one, so I can think about it.
Yes, absolutely.
On that Rosenberger, is it a OR? On the last one that you had,
Oh, yeah,
Judge?
he's out.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, on that Harasco, it says he's currently released on all cases and is waiting for Jackson or Clay County, Missouri to come get him. He signed extradition to go to Missouri, so it could be today, tomorrow, so that's why we need to do something with him or he's going to be gone.
Gotcha. I am thinking I might just dismiss his current charges in lieu of the time he's already served.
Yeah, that's fine too. I just wanted something to happen so before they snatched him.
Yeah, because diversion wouldn't work because even though he's eligible, he'd have to come in and do signing, and I don't know if we'll see him again.
He's not, no, and if they're coming to get him and he signed extradition, he's got some charges.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? I mean, a lot more severe than these, so,
And this is the least of his worries.
correct.
I think in regards to Harasco, we don't even need a breakout room. I can just tell him in front of the court.
Yeah, that's fine too. Okay, sounds good.
Judge, a few extra minutes. They're rounding out some people to take GED classes, so we're
All right.
kind of behind them.
Okay, sounds good.
All right. Sorry. All right, Judge. Ms. Williamson is here.
All right, thank you.
Hello.
Yes, Ms. Williamson, I'm Judge Whitman with the Kansas City, Kansas Municipal Court. And you have some matters here that have been unresolved. And
Yes, ma'am.
therefore, I was hoping that maybe we could get them at least somewhat a resolution. I want you to
ma'am.
understand that you have an absolute right to a trial. If you want these set for trial, we can do that. However, I have also the prosecutor here, Mr. Hudson, and I would like for you to speak with him in private to discuss possible plea offer. If you don't like the offer, then we can clearly set it for trial. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay.
Understood.
The person that gave you the headphones, he can put you in a breakout. But I just want you to know you have a stop sign violation, no insurance, and no registration. This happened back in October 28th of 2022 on 55th Street and Yecker. So if the person that gave you the headphones, if you could ask him to put you in a breakout, then you can talk to the prosecutor in private.
Breakout room?
Yeah.
Right, I heard, or lip reading. Judge, send us an invitation. I lost it when I got disconnected.
Okay, yeah, no worries. Dorothy, if you could do that. Thank you.
Got it.
You have my technological literacy, but I'm not seeing the invitation anymore.
Dorothy, are you able to get him?
I'm trying to see, he should already be able to go in there because he was
Okay.
already in there once before. I only have to do it one time.
Oh, I see the button. Hold on, I had to find it, my bad.
I only had to do the jail again because he got disconnected.
He did right. Yeah,
Yeah.
I figured so much. Yeah. We're lucky we don't have to jump around.
Yeah, yeah. So I didn't know how to get him back at where I from assigning him already. So I'm glad he
Oh,
found the
right,
button.
yeah. Mr. Weaver?
Yes, Your Honor, I informed the defendant of the charges I was going to drop in the plea. It would be a guilty plea to no insurance. The other two charges would be dropped, and it would be the $300 cost. And I informed them that it may impact their driver's license.
Right. Ms. Williamson, did you hear the prosecutor?
Yes, I did. Yes, ma'am.
So you're interested in the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And like he indicated that no insurance ticket can affect your driver's license.
I do understand.
All
And at
right.
this point right now, I don't even want to drive right now.
I gotcha. I understand. But in the future, if you wish, it's you're probably going to have to provide what's called an SR-22 to the state to show them that you are.
I can't hear you. It's
I'm sorry, can you hear me now?
can you say that again? I can hear you now. Can you say it
Yeah,
again?
yeah. I'm just saying if in the future you wish to drive, you're going to be required to probably provide the state of Kansas with what's called an SR-22, which shows that you are insured before
Yes,
you can
ma'am.
start driving. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. All right. I will accept the plea. Do you have any idea how long you're going to be in custody?
My mama is posting bail as we speak right now.
Okay.
When I
All
get
right.
through with you, I'm gonna call and see if make sure I don't have to give her another bail bondsman's name.
Gotcha.
Mhm.
Well, we will send over paperwork to release you from this hold. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I don't know any other holds you have, but this one you'll be released. I'll give you that a court date of January 24th, which is a Friday,
Mhm.
and hopefully you can have the.
It stopped again.
on the network. I can't do anything
It's
about it.
323 by that date, January 24th. If it is not paid, you'll have to be in court, all right?
It's gonna be paid and I can be in court all at the same time. You know, I just
Okay.
want to get everything taken care of.
All right, well, we'll send over the paperwork to release you from these particular charges today. And your next court date will be that January 24th if it's not paid.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. I wish
Thank
you good
you.
luck. You have a good day.
Thank you. You too.
Judge, I'm going to take a second and see if Horosco's still here before I move up and disconnect. So I'm going to go dark just a moment.
Gotcha, that's fine.
Just for clarity's sake, Horosco's the only one left, right?
Correct, and my understanding, you're just gonna dismiss it outright. If they already snatched him, you can send down a docket sheet dismissing it.
All right,
Yeah,
because I put in the charge in the system, but I can just print it down and walk it down.
right.
He kept saying our internet connection was not good and
It
you
was
kept freezing up.
unstable.
Yeah,
Yeah, I
unstable.
saw that.
Yeah. Seems the whole building was affected because I lost connection there for a brief period as well.
Pardon me, Judge. Horosco is still here, so I'm going to move up there. I'll be dark. Back soon.
Okay, sounds good. It amazes me how only 4 people take 40 minutes.
Well, to be fair, what, at least 10 of those 40 is travel time, right?
Or more, or more. And we didn't even move. That's
Yeah.
They should all just be like us and be sitting in one spot just ready.
exactly. I know over when did jail docket over there, they usually have them all in like this, like a cage, and they just bring them up one at a time. I mean, I don't know. I don't know the difference.
I think they used to do it that way.
Yeah,
I think
that's where,
because when Don used to work here and he used to go over there and do the prisoners, I think they had them all lined up, ready to
yeah,
go.
yeah. Because I can remember they'd be sitting on a back wall practically.
Hmm.
They just call them up one at a time.
Could be the COVID changes.
Whatever changes, it didn't help us any. So, I know.
Wow. At least it's not breakneck speed, right?
True.
Between a leisurely stroll and a sprint, I'll take the former.
Yeah.
Yeah. Pardon me, Judge, Mr. Harasco's here.
Yes. Mr. Roscoe, I'm Judge Whit with Kansas City, Kansas Municipal Court. You had
Yes,
some
ma'am.
unresolved matters here. You had a possession of drug paraphernalia charge.
Yes.
And it's my understanding that you're going to be extradited here shortly. And Mr. Weaver is the prosecutor in this case, and I believe that he's going to dismiss the charges. Is that correct, Mr. Weaver?
That's correct. The city feels that in lieu of the time he's already served in jail, there's no reason to penalize him further and will simply dismiss the possession charge.
All right.
Awesome.
So Mr. Weaver, or excuse me, Mr. Roscoe, I just want you to understand you have no pending cases here in the municipal court of Kansas City, Kansas at this time. All right.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
All right. And good luck with
And
you with your other endeavors there.
All right. Thank you very much.
All right. You have a good day.
You too.
Okay, Judge, that's it for me.
Sounds good. Have a good one.
Y'all also. Bye-bye.
Bye.